Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to another video. Today I got for you guys two unboxings from MSI. The first one is going to be a B450 Gaming Pro Carbon Max Wi-Fi. And the second unboxing will be an MSI CPU cooler, the MSI Core Frozr S. I'll go ahead and unbox these and set them up in my PC, replacing my old motherboard and cooler. Alright, let's first start off with the motherboard. Let's go ahead and open it up, see what it comes with, and look at some of the features of it. This is like a little badge. It's like a little sticker or something. You get your drivers. Some advertisement. Right, how to register your product right here. Some cable tags. M.2 screw comes in there. Just a quick installation guide. User guide. This one goes more into detail, different languages. Got some cables here. The I/O shield. Some nice graphics on it too. Gives your PC a nice look. What else? Your antenna for your Wi-Fi. And let's see, don't know what these are. Oh, probably fan cables. Okay, so on the back here are some of the things that you can see the motherboard includes, which is Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Uses dual band Wi-Fi. Has a feature to boost your RAM performance. Better thermal solution for your M.2. Right. Of course, MSI has their own RGB platform called Mystic Light. You got extended heat sinks. Has USB 3.2 Gen 2. Has a flash BIOS button, so you don't need another CPU to flash your BIOS on this. And they advertise that puts out better audio. One thing I really like about this board is the carbon fiber texture that they have on here. I don't know if it's real carbon fiber or if it's just carbon fiber lookalike. It's really nice touch. Gives it like a nice performance look. Could be real carbon fiber actually, I'm not sure. Okay, let's go ahead and get my processor in here and set this up. Alright, let's also go ahead and check out some of the ports that it has. As we look to the side right here, there's that flash BIOS button. Got two USB 2.0, one display port, one HDMI. Got your connectors for your Wi-Fi antenna. Got your Ethernet port. You got three USB 3 ports, USB Type C, and you have your audio and other connectors here. Front here, this PCIe port right here is reinforced with some metal. Guess it makes it more durable. This one here is just plastic. So this one here is the more durable port. It's a Ryzen 5 2600. This first thing I'm gonna go ahead and put in here. The arrow right here lines up with the arrow right here in this corner, and it should just fall just right in. Just like that. Alright, now that I got my CPU in, it's time to go ahead, unbox this cooler, and install it. Get your user manual. Got the instructions here. Don't know what any of this means, but we'll figure it out. It's a pretty big cooler. Got your fan plug right here. I think it also comes with its own paste. I think that's what it said on the box. Not sure how good their own paste works. I mean, I already have my own paste, but I'm just gonna use theirs. So first thing you want to do with this base for the CPU cooler. Oh crap! All right, so you want to be really careful with these screws not to lose them because they don't give you any extras. And if you lose them, you're screwed. All right, so now I got the back plate in. Time to install the extensions. Like I said, you gotta be really careful with these parts because they don't give you any extras. All right, then you install this plate that goes under the cooler. Just make sure you screw them in a little bit. Don't tighten them all the way until you get all the screws in. And next, we'll go ahead and put some thermal paste on. Just a little bit, not a lot. All right, just like that. So when installing this, you want to make sure that the way you put it, you want the logo to be upright. It's a really heavy fan. It's pretty big too. You want to take the sticker off on the bottom. I have to go ahead and install this mounting bracket here for the cooler. So it goes in just like that on the cooler. There will be slots for it. All right, before you do anything, take your fan off. It's impossible to screw down these screws with the fan on. Just a heads up. There we go. Now I have access to this screw here. Then you can go ahead and put this fan back on however you want it. You could turn it over just to make sure that the cable fits fine. Now all that I have to put in are my rim sticks and my GPU, and hopefully everything will be. Go ahead, put it back into my case, turn it on, test it out, and make sure everything works. All right, everyone, so I completely managed to screw up. As you can see, this does not fit in here at all. I didn't bother to check the size of the motherboard or the size of the case, see if it's compatible. I forgot my case is Micro Mini ITX. And this is an ATX board. Yeah. Does not fit at all. It's a complete amateur screw up. So I'm gonna have to buy a whole new case, and I'll go ahead and unbox that for you guys too. So don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, and make sure you hit that notification button to know when I upload new videos. So thanks for watching, guys.